Hi, once again welcome back to our class. Today discuss about the constrained motion or constrained bodies. From these three problems from taken from Singh's book. Okay, find out the individual acceleration of the blocks. These two blocks are suspended over a pulley, suspended from over a pulleys. Here three diagrams. Here see here first diagram. Here two bodies M1 and M2. In the second one, first one M1 and M2. Third one here M1 and M2. Find out the acceleration of these two blocks. Individual acceleration of these two blocks. How to calculate or solve this type of problems in constrained motion. First of all, acceleration. Find out the acceleration. After that, the acceleration of the blocks in terms of their masses, and find the tension in the string. Okay. First of all, here see here first diagram. Here two blocks are M1 and M2. This is a surface, smooth surface. This block constrained to the connected to the string. The tension in the string here T. Okay. The acceleration of the block here M1 here A1. Okay. This block moving towards the right side. M2 block moving downwards with the acceleration A2. Okay. Find the acceleration of these two blocks. How to solve this type of problems? So with terms of masses of these two blocks. Okay. First of all, find the acceleration of the blocks. This find out the two types acceleration of the two blocks. Here, first of all, this pulley tension in the string here. For example, here T. First question. Here this also here tension in the block. Tension in the string here T. Here this is the tension in the string T. This here tension in the string here 2T. Okay. The acceleration of the pulley. For example, pulley 1, this is a pulley 2. The acceleration of the pulley 2. Okay. The acceleration of pulley 2 is equal to the acceleration of the block M1 A1 plus the acceleration of the tension in the T. This string is connected to the rigid support. Okay, say acceleration here 0. This acceleration here 0. That means here 0 by average. That is equal to acceleration of the pulley is equal to here A1 by 2. This acceleration of the pulley that is equal to the acceleration of the block M2. That means here AP is equal to acceleration of the pulley is equal to A1 by 2 is equal to here A2. This A2 means acceleration of the pulley. So acceleration of pulley. Okay, acceleration of here pulley. AP is equal to A1 by 2, that is equal to A2. Therefore, here acceleration of the block M2 is equal to here A1 by A2, that is equal to acceleration of the block A1. M1 is equal to here 2 A2. This is one type. Next type here, for example, power. Power is equal to the power statement here, the product of mass and displacement of the block. That means here, power is equal to force into displacement. That means here, P is equal to here, F dot S. Power is a scalar quantity. scalar quantity. That means here P is equal to Fs cos theta. Fs here cos theta. Okay, Fs cos theta. Now this equation differentiating with respect to time. So this is P is a constant differentiating with respect to time. That means here this is equal to here 0. This is equal to 0. So this one F is constant for ds by here dt cos theta. Cos theta. Okay, here 0 is equal to Fv cos theta. Fv cos theta. Once again, this one differentiating with respect to time. After that, we get the acceleration of the blocks. Acceleration of the blocks. That means here 0 is equal to Fa cos theta. Fa cos theta. So here power is equal to net power is equal to here net summation P is equal to 0. Summation P is equal to 0. That means here summation F A cos theta is equal to here 0. Fa cos theta is equal to 0. Here 0 means here theta is the angle between displacement and force. Here the maximum power, force and displacement both are in same direction. Same direction, the maximum force. That means theta is equal to 0 degrees. Theta is equal to here 0 degrees. The theta is equal, for example, 180 degrees. The force and displacement both are in acting opposite direction. Then the power is negative. Here power is here negative. But in this case, F A cos theta is equal to 0. That means the net power is equal to 0. The net power is equal to 0. So maximum force means maximum power. Theta is equal to here 0. Theta is equal to 0. Summation here F A is equal to F S is equal to 0. F S is equal to F dot S means force into displacement. That is equal to 1 type. Here in this case here two types. Simply this we are following this formula just. Okay. Now here acceleration of the block A1 is equal to 2A2 to A2. Okay. Now find the acceleration of two blocks in terms of masses. In terms of here masses. Okay. In terms of masses. Now here this block, tension in the block M1, tension in the block here M1, T is equal to this block moving forward direction with the acceleration A1. So T is equal to here T is equal to M1 A1. M1 A1. This is the equation, for example 1. Okay. M2 block moving downwards direction. M2 block moving with the acceleration A2 with acceleration with A2 moving downward direction. So the net force according to Newton's law, the net force is equal to here net force M2 A2 is equal to downward force minus upward force. Here upward force means tension in the string. Tension in the string. That means here M2G minus here 2T. M2 A2 is equal to M2G minus A2. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి downward, this is M2G means downward forces, 2T means acting upwards direction. This is a tension force. Both are in opposite direction. Both are in here opposite direction. The net force is equal to M2 A2. So the T values here, this T values is substituting here. The T values here substituting here. So simplies here A2 M2 A2 is equal to here M2G minus 2 into here T is equal to M1 A1. M1 A1. Okay. But here A1 is equal to 2A2. 2A2 here. A1 is equal to 2A2. This value is here substituting. This A1 value is substituting in this equation. So simplies Simplies A to M2 here M2 A2 is equal to here M2G minus 2M1 here A1 means 2A2 2A2. So simplies here M2A2 is equal to here M2G 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 M1A2 M1A2. So M1A2 simplies this is taken as left side. This terms, negative terms taken as here left side. That means here that is equal to positive values. Simplies M2 A2 plus here 4 M1 A2 is equal to here M2G. Okay. Here common terms here A2. Here common terms here A2. That is equal to A2 into here M2 plus and 4 M1 is equal to here M2G. So finally A2 is equal to here A2 is equal to here M2G by 4 M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of the block 2. Block 2 means M2 block. This is the acceleration of block M2. Now this value substituting in equation 1. After we get the acceleration of the block here M1 block. That means here this A2 values here substituting here. This A2 values here substituting here. So acceleration of the block M1 is equal to 2 into here M2G by 4 M1 plus here M2. This is the acceleration of the block M1. This one acceleration of the block M2. Okay. Now the tension in the string that is your T is equal to your formula T is equal to this A1 values here substituting here. The A1 values here substituting here. After we get here the tension in the string in the given wire or string. So the tension in the string is equal to here tension in the string. Here T is equal to here M1 A1 that is equal to here A1 means this one 2 M1 M2G by 4 M1 plus here M2. This is the tension in the string. This one here tension in the string. Okay. 3 equations. Equation 1 for example. Equation 3. This is the equation 2. This equation. Okay. This one 4. This is the 3. Okay. Equation 1 gives the acceleration of the block M1. Equation 2 gives the acceleration of the block M2. The equation 4 the tension in the string values. This is the this type of solving this one. Next diagram 2. Next diagram here 2. Now this one note it. This is the note it. Okay. Next diagram 2. ఒకటి అర్థమైందంటే మిగతా అన్ని సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. Here this is a smooth surface. Surface is a smooth surface. So two pulleys here, pulley 1 here, this is a pulley 2. This rigid support, this is a rigid support. For example, the block M1 moving downwards with acceleration, for example A2, the acceleration A2. This block moving forward direction with the acceleration A1, or acceleration A1. This one here string is fixed, so this acceleration is equal to 0. This acceleration is equal to 0. The acceleration of the pulley 1, acceleration of the pulley 1 here, pulley 1 means here this one P is equal to 0 plus here acceleration of the block A1 by 2. So here acceleration of the pulley is equal to A1 by 2. That means here here acceleration of the pulley that is equal to the acceleration of the block m2, acceleration of the block m2. So a2 is equal to here a1 by 2, a1 by 2, acceleration of the block m1 is equal to here to a2. Now the tension in the string here T1, this is a T, this is a 2T, this one here 2T, this also here 2T. Okay. Now here this one, first of all T is equal to this block M2 block moving forward direction. For example, this one, for example, so changes M2 for example this A2, this A1. Okay, the terms here changes to okay to A2 is equal to A1. Okay. Now here T is equal to M2 A2. So M2 A2, the tension in the string. Now this block moving downwards, M1 block moving downwards, the weight of the body acting downwards. Okay, the resultant force of these two here M1 A1 is equal to the downward force is minus upward force. Upward force is 2T, here 2T. Simplies A1 M1 is equal to here M1G, T value substituting here, this T value here substituting minus 2 into M2 A2. Simplies M1 A1 is equal to here M1G minus 2 M1 2 M2. Here A2 values, A2 is equal to A1. So substituting here 2 A1. Simplies here M1 A1 is equal to M1G 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, here M2 A1. Simplies this taken left side, so M1 A1 plus 4 M2 A1 is equal to remaining here M1G. Here A1 is a common, so A1 common, M1 plus 4 M2 is equal to M1G. So the acceleration of the block M1 here A1 is equal to here A1 is equal to M1G by M1 plus 4, here M1 plus 4 M2. Okay, the acceleration of the block here M1. After this value is here substituting in this one substituting here A2. So A2 is equal to 2A1, or A2 is equal to 2A1, or A1 is equal to or this A2. From here A2 is equal to 2A1, this is substituting. So acceleration of the block M2 is equal to 2 into here M1G by M1 plus 4 M2. Okay, tension in the string. Now tension in the string T is equal to here M2 A2. So A2 values, this is a A2 values, additional multiplication here M2. So 2 M1 M2 G by here M1 plus 4 M2. This is the tension in the string. So in terms of masses in acceleration of the two blocks, so A1 is equal to formula M1G by M1 plus 4 M2. Next, acceleration of the block M2 is equal to A2 is equal to here 2 into M1 M2 values, okay, 2 into M1 G1 by M1 plus 4 M2. The tension in the string here T is equal to m1 m2 g by m1 plus 4 m2. After that, third diagram here, find the in terms of find the accelerations, find the acceleration of the two blocks. That blocks are m1 and m2, and tension in the string. We find the determination of the tension and acceleration of the two blocks. Now this is close. Okay, note it. Third diagram, here two blocks, two pulleys, accelerations a1 and a2, tension in the string here T. Okay, now m1 block moving forward direction, m2 block moving downward direction. m1 blocks moving forward direction and m2 block moving downward direction. So the acceleration of the m2 block here a2, the acceleration of the m1 block is here a1. This is moving downwards, this is a moving downward. So tension, this is a T, tension of the block here T, this also here T, this is a T. So this one here 2T, this one here 2T. Okay, T, T. Okay, this is a T. Next here, this is a fixed pulley 1, pulley 2. So pulley 1 and block here, in between tension is 2T, 2T. Now this block moving forward direction, this block moving downward direction. So 2T is equal to here, 2T is equal to here m1 and a1, a1 m1. This surface is a smooth surface, smooth surface. 2T is equal to here a1 m1. So next here, this block moving downwards, m2 block moving downwards. So the net force of that block here m2 a2 is equal to here m2 g minus here t, g minus t. Here t value substituting, t is equal to here m1 a1 by 2, m1 a1 by 2. Here t is equal to tension in the string, t is equal to m1 a1 by 2. This value is here substituting, this value is here substituting. That means here m2 a2 is equal to here m2g, t is equal to here m1 a1 by 2, m1 a1 by 2. Here next cross multiplication, 2 m2g minus here m1 a1 by 2, m1 a1 by 2 is m2 a2 is here 2 m2 a2 is equal to here 2 m2g minus m1 a1, m1 a1. So acceleration of the blocks here, this one T2 a1, a2 is equal to here 2a1, a2 is equal to here here